Happy greetings! It's me, Joe, your happy, easygoing friend. I am standing at the entrance of the habitat in Penang Hill, where luscious greenery and beautiful nature awaits you. So we're gonna take a walk into this wonderful place. As you can see, right behind me is the Curtis Crest treetop walk. It's somewhere in the middle of this habitat. So inside you will see some animals like monkeys and squirrels, lizards, birds, beautiful nature and flowers. So I'm not even inside the habitat yet, but walking along. And already, even before entering the habitat, you can see this lush greenery, beautiful nature. I don't know whether you can hear the sound yet, but this is what you can expect when you come to Penang Hill. So I'm walking along the pathway. There's a map and you will never get lost. A map to kind of like show you where all the animals are. I feel like I'm in the air-conditioned room. It's so cooling. Oh, so peaceful. It's very healing, this wonderful sound of nature, isn't it? So when you are in Penang, look for me. Yes? Peace out. Till next time.